I'm Jen, and this is a little bit of everything. Tonight we will be making steak stir fry. So, let's get started. Tonight we are using thinly shaved ribeye steak cut into 1-inch thick pieces. We have that already in our metal mixing bowl. Now we're going to start adding our marinade to this. We are going to start with 2 cups of soy sauce, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, about a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Do not overuse these, they get hotter when you cook them. And 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. We're going to mix that all together and let our steak marinate for about 20 minutes. And we will be right back to you when we are ready to put this in a hot pan. And we're back. Our beef has been marinated for 20 minutes. And if you look, it's got this beautiful dark coloring to it. Now we're going to take our beef and we're going to pull it out of our marinade. Let some of that go and put it into a nice hot skillet. Doesn't matter if we overcrowd this one. Because this is so thin sliced, it is going to cook up super fast. If you look, we are already a little more than halfway cooked on our meat. Now, we're about the halfway point on our meat. We are going to add 1 8-ounce can of chopped water chestnuts. I always add extra. My husband adores the thing. And we are now going to add 2 16-ounce bags of frozen stir-fry vegetables. We have these stir-fry vegetables. We're heating them up. We're mixing the meat in with them. Next, all I want you to do is to save the flavor. Every little bit counts. We are going to pour the marinade right back in here. We are going to bring that to a full boil to make sure that we've cooked out any possible bacteria, and then this will be ready to serve. Be right back to you then. I like my stir fry with a little bit of the sauce still on it. So I have mixed together 1/4 cup cold water with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're at a full rolling boil over here, and we're about ready to add our cornstarch and water to our stir fry. You add it a little bit at a time, and we're going to mix it around, and if you watch, it will start to thicken our stir fry sauce. Let's add the rest. And now that beautiful marinade that we made for the steak is now also a delicious sauce for our stir fry. And we are ready to serve this beauty. So, let's put this in the dish and see what we got. There we go. Look at that. So delicious and perfect. Thank you for tuning in. Come join me for my next video. Have a great night, guys.